If you've ever noticed your kid quickly deleting a text message before handing over the phone, you've probably wondered, what are they hiding? Whether it's a conversation they regret, messages from a stranger, or just something they don't want you to see, it can be frustrating as a parent to feel like you're in the dark. The good news is, deleted text messages aren't always gone forever. With the right tools, you can recover them and see exactly what was sent, even after they disappear from the phone. That's where mSpy comes in. It's a powerful mobile monitoring app that lets you view deleted text messages, track conversations, and monitor phone activity all from an online dashboard. So in today's video, I'm going to break down how mSpy allows you to retrieve deleted text messages, other features like key monitoring, how to install it on your child's phone, the pros and cons of using mSpy, and whether it's actually worth it for you to invest in. Let's get into it. So first off, how does mSpy recover deleted text messages? When someone deletes a text message, it does disappear from their inbox, but it doesn't vanish from the device's storage. mSpy captures messages in real time before they're deleted and stores them in your online dashboard. So even if they remove a conversation from their phone, the data is actually still accessible to you. That means if your child deletes a message right after sending or receiving it, you can still see the full conversation in the mSpy's dashboard. You also can check the timestamps to know when each message was sent or received and view the contact detail of the person they were texting. I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like, but before we do that, let's go into some of the key features. First off, full access to sent, received, and deleted messages. mSpy gives you access to all text messages on the phone, even if they've been erased. You can see the deleted messages like we talked about. You can also see real-time SMS tracking for current conversations, as well as the timestamps and contact details, so you know exactly when and who your child is texting. This feature ensures you never miss an important conversation, even if they try to hide it. Next is the social media and messaging app monitoring. Text messages aren't the only way kids communicate these days. Most conversations happen on apps like WhatsApp, Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook Messenger, Telegram, and mSpy tracks all of these sent through these platforms, so even if they're deleted. So you're not limited to just regular SMS. If your child is using these apps to chat, you still have full access to their conversations. Next is the keylogger. The keylogger feature is one of the most powerful tools in mSpy. It records every single stroke typed on the phone, which means you can see messages that were typed but never sent, search queries on Google or YouTube, usernames and passwords they enter. Even if a message is deleted before it's sent, the keylogger captures what was typed, so you still have a record. Next is call monitoring. In addition to text messaging, mSpy also tracks call logs, so you can actually see who they've called or received calls from, the exact time and duration of each call, as well as missed or declined calls. So if they're spending a lot of time on the phone with someone you don't recognize, this feature will help you just stay informed. Next is the GPS tracking and geofencing. mSpy includes a real-time GPS tracking, so you can see where your child is at any given moment. You also can set geofencing alerts, so this is where you will get notified if they leave a safe area like home or school. You also can view location history, so you can see where they've been throughout the day, and this is especially useful if you want to make sure they're not meeting up with someone they shouldn't be. Lastly is mSpy works in stealth mode. It runs completely in the background, meaning your child won't know it's installed. It doesn't show up in their app list, and it doesn't send notifications, and it just works silently to collect the data. This ensures that you can monitor their activity without them disabling or uninstalling it. Now, how to actually install this and get set up. So what you want to do is click our exclusive link in the description below, and you'll get brought to this page right here. Once you get to this page, you'll click try now. Then we will want to create an account. So go ahead and type in your email, or you can continue with Google as well. Go ahead and click continue, and then you will select which device you'll be monitoring. So you can go ahead and decide later if you would like, or you can do Android or iPhone. So we'll click decide later. Next is choosing a plan. So they've got a couple of different options here, but the longer the commitment, the more you save. So with the 1 month, it's usually $69.99, but right now you can get it for $48.99 a month. And this includes all the premium features as well as the invisible mode. Next and most popular is the 3 months plan. It's usually $40 a month, but right now you can get it for $28 a month. And this includes, again, all of the same features. Lastly is the 12-month plan, and this is usually $60 $16.67 a month, but right now you can get it for $11.67 a month. And again, this includes all of the same features. So we'll go ahead and click continue. And then from here, you will just type in all of your payment information. And once you are all paid and ready to go, you will be prompted to download the app, which is called mSpy. Once you download the mSpy app, you will be prompted to log into your account, and then you will have to connect your actual iPhone or Android. And it has to be physically connected into the computer. And I just want to warn you that it does take some time. It did take about 25 minutes to back up my data from my phone. Once you have connected it manually, you won't have to do that again to update. What you can do is click sync now, and this will sync it up again, but you just have to make sure the phone and the computer are on the same Wi-Fi. Once you are all backed up, ready to go, you can go ahead and click this view the sync data right here, and you will get brought to the dashboard with all the information. Okay, so as you can see, it is pretty straightforward and intuitive, but just before we go over everything, I just wanted to quickly show you how you can read the deleted text messages. All you have to do is go straight to the text messaging feature, and everything will populate here, and you can see everything that was deleted and erased. It will still be logged all right here. You also can filter by date, which is really helpful. But now just an overview of everything. As you can see, this dashboard, you will see the top visited websites, the top calling contacts, and the top messaging contacts. You can go ahead and click see all right here. Next, if you want to get more detail on just the calls, this is where you can go ahead and see all of the calls. It will show the duration, it will show the date, and it will show if it was either outgoing or inbound. Next, you can access all of their contacts as well as browser history, their browser bookmarks, as well as their installed apps. They've also got events and reminders that can be populated here too, as well as notes. And then, like I said, they've got text messages. We've also got WhatsApp, where you can see the messages, the contacts, and the call log. Same with Line and Kik. This is where you can track their location, and right here is where you can access the anonymous location tracker and the anonymous Instagram viewer. With this GPS locator, you can go ahead and name the location link, and it will generate a unique URL to get someone's precise location. No device linking needed. If you need to add a new device, you can go ahead and click right here. And if you want to get more devices as well, they do have some other payment plans. So they've got the 1 month Extreme and the 1 month Premium. So here you can see the different prices depending on the amount of time. 1 month is $99 a month, and the 12 months goes down to $32 a month. With this, you get the hidden microphone for Android, remote camera for Android, an anonymous egg viewer, and 1M assistance session. And then they've also got the Premium. So again, depending on the length of time you'd like to sign up for, it depends on the subscription. And here are some of the features, and depending on the Android and iOS. So lots of different information in here. Okay, now that you understand how it actually works, how to get set up, and how to actually see deleted text messages, let's go over some of the pros and cons. So starting off with the pros, it allows you to read deleted text messages and track conversations in real time. It also monitors social media and messaging apps for complete coverage, and it also includes GPS tracking and geofencing for extra safety. It also works silently in the background. Another pro is it's super easy to set up and monitor remotely from any device, and a huge plus is that it's compatible both on iPhone and Android. So some of the cons. So first off, it does require physical access to install on the phone, and some advanced features may require jailbreaking your iPhone or rooting an Android. And the subscription plans can be expensive compared to other standard parental control apps. Lastly, not all features work on every device, so you definitely want to check compatibility before purchasing. So is mSpy worth it? If you're concerned about who your child is talking to and want to make sure they're not hiding anything risky, mSpy is one of the best solutions available. It allows you to see the deleted text messages, monitor social media, track calls, and even capture everything they type. This just gives you full control over their phone activity. However, if you're looking for a cheaper or simpler option, there are other parental control apps that may have fewer features but an easier setup process. But again, if you decide that mSpy is the right choice for you, make sure you use our exclusive link in the description to get the best price possible. That wraps up this video. I'd love to hear in the comments if you used mSpy before and what your experience was like. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you navigate digital security and online safety, so don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.